It's probably the safest time to come here.
It's a low bar. The safest time to be here.
Yes! All right, here we go. Tony Hawk showing up here in about 2 minutes. Got a lot of rain, but the Sickos have one final send to try to make me have to do a TikTok dance in front of Tony Hawk.
What's the plan today, boys?
Well, Tony Hawk is coming, which is insane, and we're gonna try to look cool in front of him, and Will and Jackson are gonna try to do double backflips on the trike.
And for you throwing on a shovel, so I really appreciate that, man.
I heard those around here, but I didn't come for that.
So I'm a little dirty, but good to see you. A little bit of rain, but
Yeah, Will.
What's up, how are you? Jackson, nice to meet you.
these guys do TikTok dances and all kinds of weird stuff. And that younger generation, people. He's like, what would it take for me to do a TikTok dance? And I said, you to land a double backflip on a trike. He's actually got closer than I thought, but he said his butt was too sore to try it. And they were just about to leave to the airport. And Lindsay was like, oh, well, Tony's coming to skate. And they're like, you're doing a TikTok dance in front of Tony Hawk. So they're back at it now. So we're working through the mud to...
So you are going to try.
It's a false story. I got some pads, so we're good now.
Just how you show him, how you present that is just odd.
Yeah. We're these new weird guys. We're not TikTokers too, by the way. We're action sports stars.
Not that either. I mean, is there a difference anymore?
He's a busy guy. He kind of, I mean, if we're doing this TikTok dance.
You should get
Hit it, Will.
go.
Okay.
Will.
See it.
Will.
All the fun stuff's out. Well, sorry.
All your fun stuff.
All the redneck shenanigans are out back, and it rained like all day and all night. So it's probably the safest time to come here. But
That's why I got my MC.
That's a low bar. The safest time to be here.
that's 100 feet in the buggy.
No Here we go.
Drop it! Come on, Will! Yes! Oh! A little over.
You're gonna do a TikTok dance. I was feeling good.
That honestly, dude, that looked pretty good.
Oh, I felt it.
All right.
Tony Hawk and Travis Pastrana are teaching Will how to do a double backflip on a trike, and then we're gonna go skateboard with him afterward. It's ridiculous. If you told me this when I was in middle school, I probably would have like puked.
It's really going to happen right now, huh?
It's funny, huh?
We're at your circus. Yeah, this is insane.
Yes! Oh! It's just gonna head up to the she shed after this one. So, you know.
You can always meet Tony up there for your dance.
You're getting too comfortable around Travis.
You did it! Talk about your all-time backfire.
Yes!
Never saw that working in a million years.
You're so Yes!
I blame Tony. They were done.
This is what you're doing.
Yes.
Wait, you guys have TikTok on your phones?
No.
I'm not gonna remember all that.
Wait, you haven't been practicing?
Oh God, what? No. What's with the hip thrusting thing? Dudes do this stuff?
Not that you're in any danger to my last photo or anything. It's just timing was good.
You gotta hold on to these things. My back is ready for this one.
Travis does.
All right, well, so Tony was down here watching the Sickos, and it's such a long walk up there. I figured I'd just give him a quick ride to the she-shed.
You're good?
Thanks for the, thanks for the look.
No problem. Have fun.
Thanks for the ride, lady.
Be up in bed. Have a good day.
You want your skate stuff?
I think we're warmed up
I don't know, you tell us.
walk that distance.
Well, his car's
If he walked into his car, he's like, I'm gone.
Right there.
Dude, that was insane. That was like the most fun in the shortest period of time. Like, what a welcoming. Wow.
All right.
Oh my God.
Welcome.
Did you ever imagine
No, I never imagined
you would have anything that
as cool as this.
resembled this, even on a small scale?
No.
This is wild. Wow.
Yeah. It just felt right to skate it here, you know?
It sounds sticky.
It's grippy. It's good.
Wow. It's exciting.
Yeah, let's go.
Not a bad first run.
Not bad, huh?
Just seeing that right there makes it all worth it. I mean, let me take that back. What makes it all worth it was the first time Lindsay walked in here and saw this ramp, but the amount of happiness this is going to keep bringing her friends coming here. That's why this place exists, man. And it's like a lot of people are going to come to this property that have never been here, and that's so rad. And I've been looking forward to Tony coming, and it's an extra treat having Kevin here too. So I'm just going to watch and love it.
Is this the first ramp you've ever skated with pink coping? Maybe. Definitely
it isn't.
the coolest first ramp.
It's cool. It's the only vert ramp to get pink open.
My legs are tired.
It's freaking wild to even see Tony Hawk skate. It's not something you get to see every day.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Husbands of Instagram.
Husbands.
All right, let me get this TikTok dance that everyone's came out of.
Should do a hand plant right by him when he's doing this stupid dance. That'd be hilarious.
That's so good. Best day ever.
Oh, Forrest! Yeah, dude.
I'm putting on the pads. The boys told me I had to. Oh, a lot of pressure. This is Tony Hawk skateboard right here. Holy shit! I'm gonna go. I can't let him know I was touching it.
Tony, Forrest came out here yesterday. He's like, I want to drop in. So he started to learn how to ride vert.
Oh, it's so beautiful. It's beautiful.
It's way bigger once you're at the top. Camera's not doing justice.
We are here at the She Shred, and the Sickos are in town, and evidently this one skates, so we're gonna teach Forrest how to drop in. I actually have a lot more faith in him now that I saw him pump on the ramp. I mean, he was kick turning at coping first go, so I think he's got it. He's got pads and a helmet now, we're set.
We'll see. I got kitted out, but this is by far the biggest thing I've ever dropped into.
First, you should knee slide in.
How do you knee slide?
Can I just go like this?
Yeah, you just like,
Yeah. You're good. You're good.
then you should pump to the top, pump until you can jump out to the top, then you should drop it.
Okay.
He's up.
Ever dropped into a ramp this big? It's a 13-foot X Games style vert ramp. 13 and a half.
I mean,
Apologies.
6 inches it's a big difference.
I feel like I was directed at somebody here.
Now I'm getting less confident. All right. Okay. And then you're about to drop it. And now I'm gonna drop it.
You got the joke.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I should have explained that better. All right.
Too easy.
Solid. So he's going to do a demo for you. Mr. No, I want to see a full demo. Like, what do you got?
A demo?
Yeah, let's go. You're in. You're on the spot right now for us.
Yeah.
At least make it like hard.
Tony let me skate his ramp since I was just, not even a teenager yet. So to have it come full circle and have him come here and skate is awesome. And Kevin's always been like, Uncle Kevin, like without the two of them, this ramp wouldn't be here because I wouldn't have gotten where I did. So.
I mean, I don't know anything about skating. That was great. Hey, Tony, Kevin, Lindsay, can you do a hand plan side by side? I'm not allowed to throw out any suggestions here, so I'm getting a little bit more leeway right now because maybe she hadn't thrown me out yet. Because every time I make a suggestion, someone I don't know what I'm talking about, but I'm like, hey, just put one board here and slide across and hop on the other. Everyone always seems to fall down, and I'm like, entertain me. So I need to leave. But if you guys could do a hand plan.
You're the muse. Yeah, I appreciate that.
Would you guys, so you want to do a hand plan with all three?
If I'm invited, yes, thank you.
I didn't want to push anything on you.
Here we go. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
If there's any tips you got, I would love to hear them. I don't know really what I'm doing.
How left to do after that is to ollie into him, but that's a super solid frontside right there. It's hard to decipher, but you want to pop upwards, like up towards the ceiling, not off the wall.
Okay. Because I'm used to doing it on like a mini ramp.
I know, that's the thing. That's where that's the more the like evolution and the difference in vert skating.
Yeah.
Is that you're popping up instead of out.
Okay.
So you got to think of just like snapping it. Yeah, like straight up.
Holy shit. Okay. And then grab after. Yeah.
One timing is great.
Oh, that was not it at all.
He was being knocked unconscious for sure.
It's just more you're turning as if you're gonna land on a corner. You gotta keep it like don't just try to get maybe 90 degrees less. You're landing and you're going straight that way.
Because I want to my muscle memory is supposed to be
It might feel like you're gonna under rotate, but you won't. He was scared to drop in yesterday.
When's the next one? Thank you for those tips, Tony.
Lizzie and I made a bet about the first one to do a flip trick on vert will get whatever. And so I wanted from her was that she had to fly here and hand deliver me my first Yeppa helmet. But I still have it. Maybe today. This day, kick will bend you, whatever.
You guys have both made them though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like 20 years ago. But
That was awesome. I haven't seen her do that since X Games 2010.
Throw it under your feet first, then right away.
good idea.
That was so close. Oh.
Got it under her feet.
Was that video Travis sent the kids and I? There's no excuses, there's just being a little bitch. So, there I am.
Trying to take you out. It's not my first rodeo. Where you snap. Series, you're snapping before vert.
Yeah.
So it's setting you up to land super high. I know you can make it like that, but if you can snap at vert, you'll be in the perfect position.
I didn't realize she had a She Shred shirt. That's a pretty cool shirt. You can get your shirt maybe on channel 199. Maybe not. I don't know.
No, you told me I wasn't allowed to craft all the time anymore, so I can only make these for me.
We know a person. Would you buy a She Shred shirt if you had an option? Let us know in the comments.
Land straight. It's my last piece of advice. If you make this one, you don't have to walk up the stairs. You gotta walk upstairs. I was literally here for it.
I didn't get to be there when you did. So nice.
Like this was exactly as good as this could possibly be. We just came and rode your ramp.
My ramp, your ramp, yeah. My ramp that wouldn't be here without your ramp being a ramp.
This is true.
I'm honored. If you build it, we will come.
Yeah.